This 2026 Jayco J Feather 26FK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 33 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco J Feather 26FK is 7,262 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.